lately I've been copping a lot of kicks on whatnot that I couldn't get on the regular market. These PSG 4s being a perfect example. Boom, when they came, they had a nice little scuff on the toe box that I didn't see, but that's fine, we'll take care of that. Gotta run them through check, make sure they're legit. Trust no man, they say. Definitely trust no sneaker reseller. Even though NYC Clothing is actually a very reputable seller, they sell tons of shoes, and I got a really good deal on these. Boom, passed inspection, of course. So I was happy about that. Now it's time to get busy. So as you know, first thing first, get rid of the laces. Some people leave them in, not me. I want to go hit it with a deep clean, so got to get busy, rip out the insoles, pop in some shoe trees, and then I grab the suede eraser, start getting busy on the toe boxes. That's the only suede on these, but the toe boxes need a little bit of work. Of course, we saw that stain earlier. I'll get to that in a minute, but suede eraser worked really, really well. There's that scuff that we were worried about earlier. Had to get it with a little elbow grease, get it working, but once it started moving, next thing you know, boom, gone. Got it out. As you can see there, I had to switch up to a different eraser, a harder, more firm eraser to hit that particular area, but worked, came out like a charm. And it's a light suede, so it's really hard to clean sometimes, but not in this case. That's actually an old Timberland suede eraser that I had from probably 20 years. That's just been in my kit there, but you gotta keep all the tools that you got. You never know when you're gonna need them. Gotta hit the insoles with the lint roller, get all the little hairs and lint off of there. Sometimes you just gotta use your fingers and pluck it off. I also have the lint shaver that I always use from Amazon. Works great. As you can see, it cleans everything off before we get to scrubbing. Alright, so we're at the shoe station now here. Hitting it with the Shoelada. You know I love that Shoelada. Not a paid promotion, it's just a great product. Make sure when you hit with the suede with any kind of cleaner, you wipe it off immediately because you don't want it to soak too far into that suede. Everything nice. Definitely gotta hit the insides, towel dry, everything off. Pop the shoe tree in there. Put them to dry, and then of course, you know, we gotta scrub those insoles. Make sure those are crispy. Those you can soak and rinse out, and then of course the laces. The laces had a couple of little marks on them actually after I got them out, so I had to hit them with a scrubber, but they came out good. Time to revitalize the suede. We hit it with the wire suede brush there, a little detailer. Get that nubuck coming up, or suede, whatever it is, suede nubuck. Get the nap on it up. Here you go, as the final product. PSG Jordan 4s. Copped them for the low. I ain't gonna lie, they look brand new to me.